Barn cat. Barn cat. She's quite the striking black and white cat. I have a bunch of stray kittens in the other end of the barn. Might get a picture of them. We're hanging out on the back porch here. We have the pasture right outside the back porch here. So it's easy for me to keep an eye on them, which is a good thing to do. All of these trees are going to shed their leaves real soon. All the critters are getting big furry coats. How's it going there, pretty girl? Whoop, out of camera shot. How you like that, huh? Kitty. Yeah. She was completely feral, but everything gets pretty tame around here. The kittens are way down there in that big old boxcar. That boxcar is over 100 years old. Some of the buildings on this place, it's an old homestead.